My name's Matt Parkinson, and I engineer design. Design is a neat place to explore questions that we have been faced as humans for thousands of years. The tensions between craft and engineering and creation. I love taking disorganization and turning it into something that is material and is organized and is fulfilling some sort of higher purpose. The Learning Factory, the new Engineering Design and Innovation building, provides an opportunity for students to engineer design by giving them the resources and the training that they need, regardless of whether it's for a course, engineering cornerstone activities, capstone activities, for industry-sponsored projects. If you want to start a company and need to build that first prototype, this is the place where you can come and do those things. The Learning Factory allows me to engineer design by providing opportunities for my students that I could only imagine before. The things that even my first-year students get to do and try out, it's unprecedented.